morning and welcome back. So today's the day. Today you don't have school. Today's the day. Basically, mom, dad, and dad are all going back to India. So we are just finishing up making their food for the plane. Even though they are gonna get food, but they still wanted some things. Like this is the potatoes. Super delicious. And then my dad always wants mutton, bhuna mutton, so that's what I made over here. As you can see, looks super delicious. And then we have dosa batter. This is made out of quinoa for their brunch kind of thing, because we'll be leaving for the airport around 3:30. So they're gonna eat something right now. Baby, she's finishing our puja and clip. Yeah, okay. And then we have all their bags packed up here. They're total. Yes, baby.
There's a small one and a big one.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags total.
Mommy, count.
Dad.
Mommy,
Yeah.
count.
Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah. So that is what is going on. And we are also gonna make puri right now, because that's the one bread that stays good for long. If you don't need to refrigerate it or anything, it doesn't become hard, still stays soft and delicious. So to eat with the potatoes and mutton, we're gonna make puri quickly, and then I'm gonna go take bath. We'll load up the stuff, but yeah, let's see them off.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.
Dad is trying to get in. There he is!
If your house was about 5 houses away from Nitish's house, it would have been very difficult to, walk in
In the rain?
in the rain.
So today it's raining, and it's also supposed to snow. Do you want to come see your mutton real quick?
Yes? It's done.
Yeah.
Great.
Bhuna mutton.
So now I think the passengers traveling with me, they will have a very bad time, because they will only get the smell and not get to eat anything.
How does it look?
Oh, great. Both are looking great.
Nanu,
It's okay.
आप लोग का ट्रैवल में खाने जितना हो जाए बस
चम्मच भी डाल देंगे ना, प्लास्टिक वाले कुछ quinoa. और बताइए क्या प्लान है आपके?
बस हम आ गए, हमने कहा कहाँ जाने से पहले
नहीं, वहाँ
जल्दी से आप ले लीजिए वापस सिटीजनशिप। वही वो कर रहा था।
बट आपको बनने में 7 years लगेंगे सिटीजन। आपको सिर्फ
Oh, when I come next time, what will you tell me? What will you do?
nothing.
I told you that. You will be writing A to Z every.
Alright, the suitcases have started going into the car. We're just gonna pack it up and keep it since it's raining. Do you think everything will fit? Or one will have to go in Dadia's car?
There's still space.
You still have one big one.
Yeah.
Done. Ta-da! आज की
7-5 थी शायद।
6:55 थी।
हाँ।
one last tea for both the dads.
वो ये लोग मैनेज कर लेते हैं। हमें 30 मिनट में बनवाएंगे।
जी तुम एक Alright, we are on our way to the airport. Everybody's loaded up. The car is loaded up. And let's go. We are at the airport with all the luggage. Dad is right there. We're waiting here for Mayank to come, and then we're gonna go check in. Alright, they have all checked their bags. Everything is under everything. It's going good. And we're just waiting for his mom and dad to come, and then we're gonna go towards the TSA.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'll get them situated, have them
Wear everything.
there. Yeah.
And then Aiden and Anali are getting entertained over here. All right, now we are going towards TCA. Not TCA, TSC.
TSA.
TSA. I said TCA, TSA. बताओ भैया, बताओ. बताओ फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
Terminal security checkpoint. Security.
A.
I think it's A.
TSA.
TSA.
Okay, anyways, I'm very confused now. But
चलो.
एकदम आराम से मजे में जाइए.
पूरा हो गया.
एकदम अच्छे से हो गया.
Can you give Dad
मत रोइए.
now?
Hi, Daddy.
It's okay.
Aiden, come on, give them a hug, baby.
Maybe they're gonna go. Yes, can you please give them a really good boy? Remember, kind.
They'll call you from India
They'll
on
call
your
you
iPad.
From your iPad, okay?
Yeah, they will call you your iPad, baby. Okay? They will call you your iPad.
Come, baby.
Give Nanu also a hug.
चलो.
Ideal.
इंतजार कर रहे हैं. ये आइए.
बिल्कुल. एक सेल्फी.
ये हटाई दें. कैप हटाई दें.
Got it.
चलो. अब जाओ हम लोग
चलिए.
Okay.
Bye bye.
See them from here. Room.
Go stress free. We're on our way back home, but before that we're gonna stop by Aldi's and then hold on. हाँ.
अब तानिया गोल्डी से कहना कि वो लोकेश से ना बात कर लेंगे सुबह के उनके साथ.
हाँ
Driver
ड्राइवर से हाँ मैं बोल दूंगी बात कर ले.
7:30 वहाँ 8 o'clock होता तो उस हिसाब से 9:30
I was saying, so we are going to Aldi and then we're gonna go back home. But there's gonna be nobody to make us hot rotis anymore or hot parathas. We have to do it ourselves. I think the 4 months we were spoiled so much that it hurts now. But I guess we gotta do what we gotta do. What, baby? Making hot rotis for ourselves, that hurts, baby. But nothing is gonna change for Aiden because he's still gonna get hot rotis. So, yeah, let's go. We are back home and then
And we cannot find any more eggies.
the house is empty. Our dinner is not ready. It's partially ready today. It's partially ready today. Part of it is ready. But yeah, what is the time? 6 o'clock. I'll help you. Aiden, look. Hold on, I'll take it out. Aiden, hold on. Joy is writing over here. Look.
Can I open my eye?
Yes.
Can you do some magic and bring it?
Okay. Close your eyes first. Open your eyes.
Cadabra.
In my back.
Dinner early today, and our spread is, let me show you. We have the mutton that we made for our parents for their flight, that mutton. We have dal. We also made puri for them, so we have some 3 puri left and a raita, and Mayank has
I made some parathas. I made them. Hi. Mom is gone now.
potatoes and karela and yogurt. So that's our dinner, and Aiden is finishing his pasta. So that's what we are eating, and then we are also watching The Screen. We're gonna start right now. It's on Netflix, so let's enjoy our food. Alright, so we just got done with our dinner, and then guess what? We just got a call from Dad saying that the flight is cancelled because of some technical difficulty. So the flight is cancelled, but they're still trying to figure out what about the luggage and what about the connecting flight and all these things. And then when we know more,
We are gonna go pick them up.
yeah, we're gonna go pick them up from the airport again. So that's the latest. So they are all back on their way, and we are still looking for flights, so we don't know anything when is their next flight, because from Raleigh it goes like 3 times a week, so it all depends when the next flight is and if they have any availability in their flight. So I'll keep you updated how it goes. Surprise! They're back for after 6 months.
And after 6 months, she preserved
The mutton.
mutton and gave the same stuff to us what we
So
had.
the funny thing is, every time I pack him mutton and puri, his flight always gets cancelled. And this time, mom and dad are also with him, and their flight is also cancelled. So next time, no mutton and puri when they go tomorrow, or whenever, basically.
ये तो Air France का है कि आपकी flight.
It is 11 o'clock in the night, and we just finally booked the flight and everything, and it's figured out. So they're leaving tomorrow. The flight is at 4 o'clock. Why is it so blurry? Yeah, so the flight is tomorrow at 4. So yeah, that's decided. And with that, I'm gonna end this vlog because I'm tired. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next vlog. Fully, everything is good. So alrighty, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.